Hello students, today we start our lesson number 5, refund. As you hear the title, refund means something is given back to somebody. Now this is a one-act play drama which is written by Fritz Krinthi. This play adopted by the American playwright Percival Wilde for a general audience. So in this story, this is a drama, and from drama section or from literature book you have one 5 marks question from this drama. So all of you have to read the lesson very carefully. Today I summarize the play to you. So listen carefully. Now this is a play where are 6 characters: the principal, the mathematics master, the geography master, the history master, a servant, and Weathercock. He is a former pupil. So the story starts with a former student unexpectedly arrived at the school in which he studied nearly 18 years ago. His name was Weathercock. The student's name was Weathercock. Now he wanted the principal to refund the tuition fees back, because which he had paid for his education, and the education he received had failed to provide him any wisdom. So he had turned him into an incompetent ass. He also said that he would complain against the principal if his request was not granted. So the principal was shocked to hear his argument. He said that the student's demand was absurd, but Weathercock was adamant. The principal asked him to wait and called a conference of the teachers. So he called all the teachers of that school, and the teacher decided to hold an examination. They also decided that they would declare him successful regardless of his answer. Now Weathercock faced the examination. So here his examination was started and he faced the examination. He made foolish answer. He made all the answer, he gave the all answer foolishly, but the teacher said that his answers were excellent and full of courtesy. At last the mathematics teacher asked him to calculate the amount of the fees to be refunded. He answered this question with minute accuracy. He accurate answer gave. The mathematics teacher certified him passed in the exam and said that he was a mathematical genius. Now Weathercock was not happy with the result. He called it a trickful plan, but the principal declared him pass and fully entitled for the certificate, now already awarded to him. He asked the student to go out or lest he should be thrown out. So student, this is the whole story of that drama. So you have to read it very carefully with everyone's dialogues. Here you get that what the question did mathematics master asked, what the question did geography master asked, what the question is history master asked, physics master, and how they give the answer, correct answer. They made the answer of Weathercock correct. So you have to read it very carefully, and when you read the full lesson, so you have to more understood about that lesson. And in next video I explain you the exercise of that lesson. So students, your homework is to read it very carefully and try to understood and explain the story. Thank you.